when I started this in 1996 with my red Kinetic Honda as a small office, home office effort, I did not even imagine that it would snowball into what it is today. What it is today is this: 326 full-time employees, 7 branches across the globe, 45,000 offers and still rolling, huge number of lives impacted, 25 plus industry domains. I honestly did not think that it's going to be such an insane roller coaster journey that it has been. So 25 years back, this is where it all started. In fact, there was just that other room. This was part of the second bedroom. No cabin, nothing of what you see here was there then. And it was just me, and my first employee was Uma. So when I made her the offer, she already had about 16 other offers. I needed her more than she needed me. So there would be the fight as to who would go for photocopying. Those days we would photocopy the resumes. So I would go take a Xerox there was a shop at the junction, and it would be me, not Uma, who would walk down to get it. And it was also me who did the client acquisition. Now, client acquisition sounds like a very grand word, but in those days it was just me and my Kinetic Honda. I would get onto it, have one client meeting, use that area to get more client meetings, walk around cold calling, distributing my business cards, getting snubbed by secretaries and receptionists in the bargain. All that was part of the journey. I have also sourced in this roller coaster ride. I have some very funny trivia. I've managed to source a vice president for a bank in a beauty salon. I found a relationship manager in an Arrow showroom. The first time I went to Dubai, the first requirement I got was a deep sea diver. I did not even have any idea how to source. But it was the headhunting DNA that I had built in those days that had completely helped. Going down memory lane, it's been very nostalgic. But however rocking the past has been, the future to me looks explosive. The journey continues.
In 1996, I joined here as a receptionist. It's just a 4-member team. Now, we are 300 plus across India, and I head the banking vertical. That was an awesome journey.
We place people first.
வெள்ளி விழா கொண்டாடும் லைஃப் சீல் உள்ள அனைவருக்கும் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ಲೈಫ್ ಸಿಗೆ 25 ಸಂವತ್ಸರ ಶುಭಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳು.
ಲೈಫ್ ಸಿ 25 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
लाइफ कनेक्शंस को शानदार सिल्वर जुबली की शुभकामनाएं.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ലൈഫ് കണക്ഷന്റെ ആശംസകൾ.
بمناسبة الذكرى 25 لتأسيس لايف كونكشنز نتمنى لكم عاما سعيدا وذكرى سنوية سعيدة.
My memory is still fresh when I joined LiveC 16 years ago. 15th May 2005. Amazing journey. When I started, we were only 9 people. We had only 2 practices then, IT and non-IT. But fast forward, now we have multiple domains, multiple LOBs serving different clients across multiple geographies. We have seen ups and downs, 2 major economic disasters where many industries and markets crashed. But LiveC stood the test of times, and we have moved on and moving on in this journey triumphantly. And I'm very glad to say that I'm also part of this victorious journey along with LiveC.
My journey in LiveC so far has been very exciting. It's taught me to think like a CEO, and I've enjoyed being my own boss.
It also gives me immense pleasure also, Shriram, for me to be part of this organization for almost 16 years.
Wow.
It's the connections within our organization and esteemed clients which enhance the growth from where it was to where it is now.
And it's also given me an opportunity to interact with the decision makers, the CEOs, the HR heads. Now it's taught me a lot about decision making and about life in general as well. Priya and I look forward to being a part of the next phase of growth and opportunity in LifeC, a place that's been home away from home and very much part of us. We love LifeC.
My association with Life Connection started with connecting people, Nokia, Everlast brand. Assume the connection with life is more meaningful in our association more than a decade now. On this very special occasion, I would like to wish the 25th anniversary celebration of Life Connection a fruitful and memorable event, and as a well-wisher, happy to partner in their future endeavors. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is a success. Good luck, team.
In 2005, we decided that we are just not going to be a Chennai branch. Where next? I said, let's start in Hyderabad. 2006, Bangalore. 2007, Dubai. 2008, Bahrain. 2008 was the Bear Stearns crisis, so we had to unfortunately close down Bahrain. But that did not deter us. 2012 was Singapore. 2014, Qatar. 2019, Pune. 2020, we had actually opened Trichy, but then Corona had a bigger say. But then we are not going to be deterred. We are looking at other places as well, within India and outside India. Ahmedabad, Gurgaon, Vietnam. Geography is history, guys.
I am super excited to tell you that Life Connections has completed 25 years of its service. Over the years, we have seen a fantastic journey through, and today we are going to tell you how we achieved it also. Hyderabad has been attracting some of the best companies from the globe, and the last 25 years we have seen a phenomenal success in working with these clients. We at Hyderabad have been working with the best GICs and the fintech companies of the world. I joined Life Connections in 2008. That was the year of recession. Where there were job cuts everywhere, Life Connections ensured and assured that we don't have any job cuts. That's the kind of motivation every employee needs. And in this journey, we have seen very highs and lows of the business.
I've joined Life Connections in 2010 and it has been a fantastic journey in this 10 years. I've grown from a senior recruiter to a team lead, handling a team since last 5 years. My friends ask me, why are you not looking out for change? So in this last 10 years, I have never felt a need for a change because there's a lot of flexibility in this organization. This allows us leaders to recruit more women and retain them. Thus, there is limited attrition and better team growth.
Technology and recruitment, they go hand in hand and they're extremely important. We have focused a lot on technology all through the whole history of Life Connections. I remember the days when we started 97, 98, when we had maybe third-hand dot matrix printer and an extremely old PC. The first softwares that we ever used in Life Connections was WordStar. We used it to print invoices on this extremely noisy dot matrix printer, and we have come a long way since then. 2003, 2004, was the birth of the first whiff of what we created was the application tracking system. We called it Live Connection Management System. It was a Java-based, Swing-based application system which assisted accounts and a little helped the consultants handle applications. But since those days, we have come a long way. LCMS has grown. It is now pretty full-fledged software that handles the full facet of recruitment. It has all been in-house, and the future for the software looks great. We are working on implementing AI. We are working on adding more on LCMS, going on other platforms like mobile and a lot of other extra features. Today we have about 5 to 6 servers running, catering to about 300 users. We have come a long way as far as LCMS is concerned.
Our employees are from across India with diverse educational, multilingual and cultural background. I have seen youngsters join as recruitment trainees and have grown into leaders heading their own teams.
15 years ago, Bengaluru was buzzing and so did LiveC.
A predominantly an IT city, challenges were plenty and the competition was very tough.
We cater to a wide range of skills from legacy to latest technology. So today LiveC Bangalore is a milestone in 25 years journey.
So let me add something. LiveC has allowed me to be myself. It is a great place to explore, be innovative and excel.
Once a part of Live Connections family, you're always a part of it. I rejoined Live Connections after a small break and it was absolutely amazing. I was welcomed back with all the enthusiasm and it's been great.
As LiveC completes 25 years, we will continue to create leaders, inspire workmanship and enhance careers. Proud to be an LiveCN.
We place people first.
We have a team of vibrant, agile, committed recruiters and account managers. Our leadership team is stable, able and seasoned to guide our recruiters and client managers. LiveC provides a 360-degree career approach to all our employees. LiveC has produced gladiators in the recruitment arena. Many LiveCians have grown from freshers to practice leads. I'm very proud to say that LiveC has produced the best talent acquisition professionals who are working in large multinational organizations.
My foray into human resource management started with Live Connections. I learned the nuances of recruitment, interpersonal relationship and work ethics. Hearty wishes to Live Connections on their Silver Jubilee. Cheers!
See, this is one of my memory with Live Connections. Wow, LiveC, 25 years of achievement. That's something great. And I'm really happy that I was also part of it. LiveC is an integral part of my life, actually. Even though I'm out of it, I still feel that I'm part of it. And I know for sure, like Live Connections doors are always open for me. Thank you so much, Hema.
Years, quarter of a century with Live Connections. That's the time I've spent with them. I was a spent first employee with Live Connections, got the job with a walk-in. I thought this is going to be my another 17th job for a week and then I'll be heading back to my corporate life, and it never happened, and I'm glad it didn't happen. Today, from a receptionist to a director, from a Ashok Nagar country bumpkin to a international marketing director, I head Middle East for Live Connections.
Our Middle East offices are in Dubai and Qatar. We've just touched the tip of the iceberg. We are soon to expand to other countries as well. And I thank you, Life Connections, for this stupendous, brilliant opportunity. Thank you so much.
I head the GCC operations for Life Connections. I am based in Dubai. I am very happy and proud to be part of this Silver Jubilee company. I have a long journey with Life Connections. I started in the year 2006. I am completing 15 years with Life Connections. Our multicultural environment and work-life balance is our success secret. I wish all success to Team LifeC.
Mine is a zero to hero story. I joined Life Connections as a total fresher to recruitment. Initially, recruitment was a job, then turned into passion. Now, today, it has become my life. As I grow in this organization, I have become a part of exclusive GCC team. I have placed candidates across Middle East like Bahrain, Kuwait and UAE, specialized in Qatar placements. Today, I am super excited to be part of Silver Jubilee of Life Connections. Best wishes.
A very happy Silver Jubilee to LifeC. Happy 25 years.
In my journey as an entrepreneur, maybe I should say women entrepreneur, I had to take 2 conscious breaks in the entire journey. One, when I had to join my husband out of country, and I came back in 2004 and grew Life Connections. In 2007, for family reasons, I decided that I had to work from home partly. So I would come home at 2:30 and I would continue the rest of the work. Mobile dining table was my workstation, and that's when I thought, if I could do this, so could others. I actively started recruiting women and I gave them work from home options. Today, my work from home women are real gems, rock stars, every one of them.
Hope you're done with homework, sweetheart.
Yes, Mummy.
I just finished cooking. This is how I've been managing work from home for a decade now. This is my workspace, and now I have to share it with my hubby.
My journey with LifeC started in 2007. Not many women opt for a work from home option, but it has always been a passion for me to balance home and work together, and LifeC has definitely given me the opportunity to fulfill it.
I started Life Connections in 2010 as a rookie. Just to add a perspective, my daughter was in 2nd standard, now she is finishing school. I have seen my career also grow along with her. The buzzword is work from home, but Life Connections had what is called a hybrid model way back in 2006, where you can work from office as well as work from home. This was extended to me as well.
From here, I have interacted with top clients and created careers for diverse talents.
Be it my painting or cooking chakapradaman, aviyal, taking care of kids, or even watching Netflix and chilling, and simultaneously helping people to build their careers has been a way of life, and I totally enjoy it.
Work from home is a great boon to beat the Bangalore traffic, and I work for Hyderabad clients. It's been a phenomenal journey in NC, and I'm sure the going's going to be great. Cheers.
Being a woman-owned enterprise, our primary focus is to employ more working women. In Life Connections, our focus is not just on work-life balance, but also on work-home balance.
Women rock at LifeC.
We place people first is our motto. We place more women is our practice.
Everyone now is talking about women empowerment. LifeC is a classic example of WE, led by our own enthusiastic founder CEO, which is rubbed off on all of us, making us a very successful organization.
Life Connections completed its 25 years and I have also completed the same. My journey in LifeC began 1996 as office assistant and now 2021 I head operations across branches.
இந்த 25 வருஷத்தில் 15 வருஷம் ஒர்க் பண்ணது சந்தோஷப்படுறேன். லைஃப்சியோட நான் வளர்ந்ததில் ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறேன்.
In 2006, I have joined as a trainee system admin. Presently, I am working as a manager technical support. It's my personal growth in LifeC.
LifeC is part of my life and it's second home to me. On behalf of my team, I wish LifeC a great future.
At LifeC, we are professionals and strictly following statutory compliance like GST, PF, ESI, etc. Happy 25 years, LifeC.
Happy 25 years, LifeC.
Passionately perfect.
Women empowerment.
Employee enhancement.
Work-life balance.
DNI.
Total commitments.
Flexibility.
95 இந்த இதில் தான் நான் லைஃப் கனெக்ஷனில் வாட்ச்மேன் வேலை பார்த்துக்கின்னு வருகிறேன். 25 வருஷமாவது மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் தான் இருக்கிறேன்.
Couple years back, I met Uma in Qatar when she was looking out for someone to head the Qatar operations. And that's where my journey with Life Connections began. Ever since, I've moved back to India and we had the plans to set up the Pune branch, where I had a completely new experience, especially considering that the Indian market was completely new to me. We have grown with our experiences in the Pune market and are appreciated for the work we have done. Today, we can very well say that we're well established and understand the market and have grown with the capabilities of our team. Both Pune and Qatar are catered to by separate teams in the back end who have been the backbone of our organization. We've come this far, but this is only part of the journey and we have so much more to achieve. We wish everyone the very best. Across the world, swimming pools are closed, but at Life Connections, our talent pool is always open.
Couple of years back, I had an accident, which is a spinal cord injury. I never knew of it before. I met with this. And when I was into surgery, I thought I will be back to the normalcy. But no, when I came to the truth that I am going to be physically challenged forever, I was shattered. And I thought I could not be bounced back. But my child, who helped me, who boosted me, and who is a part of it to bounce back, and Life Connections plays a vital role in it. Life Connections is a platform which helped me to bounce back, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
I have known Hema for over 25 years. We first met when she joined ABC Consultants, and that was perhaps immediately after her MBA. Subsequently, we again worked together in Omam Consultants. Thereafter, she launched her own company. So I think it's now over 25 years since she has been running Life Connections. Right from the beginning, I have noticed that she had very high level of energy and enthusiasm with a strong desire to achieve. It showed in her performance in whenever we work together in those two companies. And I think it is only natural that the entrepreneurial bug bit her and she took the plunge. In recruitment consulting, there are very few barriers for entry. However, there are several barriers for scaling up, expanding and sustaining. Hema has done a brilliant job. She is not only set up offices across the country, but gone overseas. I would attribute her success to her passion for the profession, dedication, hard work, and a high degree of perseverance. I would like to believe the best is yet to come. I would like to wish her all the best and let her be the instrument for several careers to flower in the executive search space.
Hi, I would like to take this opportunity to wish everybody at Life Connections the heartiest of congratulations for 25 brilliant years, and also wish you the very best for the next 25 to come. I have known Hema and Life Connections for over a decade now, and it's been a beautiful relationship both from a personal as well as a professional perspective. So here's wishing the team the very best for the future, and also looking forward to many more adventures with Life Connections.
Hi, my heartfelt congratulations on this 25 years milestone of Life Connections. My acquaintance and interaction with Life Connections is over a decade and a half. Hema, Raghav, and the entire LifeC team have hit the road to success of this firm with their enduring partnership. I've looked up to LifeC services for their passion to deliver respect to the needs of a client, however small, and the commitment to scale. Thank you, LifeC, for the symbiotic partnership in my corporate journey with you. Wish you the best.
When Corona pulverized this world in 2020, it seriously rattled all of us at Life Connections. Let me concede that. We did not know how our world was going to turn out. But one thing we knew, if our clients were going to hire, we were determined to give them our very best, to deliver as seamlessly as we would have if we had all sat together under one roof. We scrambled around for laptops, for dongles. We decided that we may be sitting kilometers apart from each other, but we would be united in our efforts, and we delivered way better than I think. In fact, I've heard that sweet are the uses of adversity. I would say that Corona united us. It taught us how to work in a completely virtual environment. And I think we saw one of our very best quarters, which in fact was totally unexpected. In fact, the punchline for these quarters would be, hey, you're on mute, unmute yourself.
Our recent expansion is a delivery center at Trichy to enable the localized talents to achieve their dormant career dreams.
I know Hema since childhood. We've been schoolmates. We studied in Chinmaya together from the 6th standard. And knowing Hema, she's been the same person then and even now, studious, focused, quite clear about what she wants. And she continues to be the same today. In fact, some of the biggest breaks I got into banking came from Life Connections to me. And today, I happen to be a part of Life Connections, heading the banking vertical. It's a pleasure working for LifeC.
Business development is at ease. Our success stories speak for themselves. I am delighted to say our business network has spread globally today.
Over the last 3 decades, IT industry has grown leaps and bounds. Addressing to the market talent needs, at Life Connections, we have evolved from submitting paper resumes to conducting virtual interviews. Our constant quest for adapting to the new technologies has enabled us to provide the best-in-class service to our clients.
It is my 11th year in Life Connection, and I had a team of IT recruitment professional. What I love about LifeC is being able to maintain perfect work-life environment. On top of it, women empowerment is a very important factor at LifeC, and I'm proud to be a part of 25-year family.
all started with a friendship 30 years back with Hema and Nagi, and accentuated into a professional one when they decided to change their living room into a reception area and their bedrooms into workstations. I started supplying hardware and then moved on to web design, event management, employee enhancement, lighting up the office, and today I am the social media head of Live Connections.
Live Connections has a huge social media presence.
Live Connections is on LinkedIn, Facebook,
Instagram and Twitter. We do also have WhatsApp broadcast groups for more information.
Please do like us.
Please do follow us.
Everyone here is a great pal. Let's rock, Livesians. Let's keep going. 3 cheers.
In 2027, India is going to have the largest global workforce on planet Earth. And we at Live Connections, we are already one of the leading search and recruitment firms in India. We have huge contracts with massive MNC, Fortune 500 companies that we are partnering with. We have great leaders in the system. We have a kick-ass LCMS, indigenously developed software. Fabulous processes, wonderful motivation. Overall, we are poised to completely take advantage of the fact that India is going to be the global workforce of this world. We are going to be one of the top leading agencies in India. Let's grow towards that.